my friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's me, Retired Shenanigans, here with another one. Easy and simple. We're gonna make hamburgers and french fries. I'm gonna cut up the onion. We're gonna put it in the pot and we're gonna air fry the french fries. First, I wanna say thank you. Thank you to everyone who's been watching my vlogs. I appreciate you guys. I truly do. My new subscribers, my old subscribers, my future subscriber. I appreciate everybody. I appreciate everybody and everyone that comments and wants to help me out. I said before in my other video, I made $0 in 7 months. I'm not monetized, so here we go. We're going to do another video because I like to do it. Monetized or not. But it's going to be quick and easy. Hamburgers and french fries. So, if you make it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and comment. Let's make these hamburgers. We're going to put onion in our hamburger. So, you guys have seen me cut onion lots of times. So, we're going to cut up this onion. That's enough onion. I'm only making 2 hamburgers, maybe 3. One for me and my niece, and one for my fiance if he wants one when he comes in. He went out to the football game, so this is what we're having: hamburgers and french fries. Okay, we are at the stove. We're gonna get ready to cook our onion and cook our hamburgers. And we're going to put the french fries in the air fryer. That's my dinner for today because I am literally tired. Literally, I'm tired of that other food. Holiday food. Black-eyed peas, rice, collard greens, cornbread. I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it. Anybody else? Look at my new pot. A subscriber, I told you, bought me a pot set. We're going to shout them out again more. Thank you for the pot set. I appreciate you. You just don't know. So, we're going to put the onions in here. And we're going to let them get caramelized, and we're going to put the hamburgers in there to cook with it. I like a little cheese on my burger. How about you guys? Onion and cheese and a little barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce. So we're going to let these cook up before we put the hamburgers in. And then we're going to put our french fries in the air fryer while these are cooking. See the hamburgers? They frozen ones. You won't believe they're Walmart. They're good too. They are delicious. So this is my Sunday dinner, and probably by the time you see it, it'll be Monday or Tuesday. But let's say all is good. We're going to thank God for today. I went to church today, and the man preached about it being personal. You have to be personal with God and accept the stuff that He has for just you. You can tell other people no if you want to. You don't have to do nothing for nobody if it's not good for you. Make it personal for you. That's it. And that preacher know he can preach, Pastor. So, I'm going to take this onion out. I don't like the way it looks. So, we got our onions are cooking. They're going to get seasoned when we put the meat, the burgers. We put the burgers in them. And we're going to season the burgers. We're going to season the burgers. And y'all know what we're going to season them with. Garlic and herb. Do y'all see that? Garlic and herb. Don't forget. Make it personal. Do what's best for you. And don't forget to pray. Because when you pray, prayers are answered. You got to pray the right way. You can't just ramble on and stuff. Well, you can. But you have to know what you're praying about. So, make sure you pray the right way so the Lord will bless you. He bless you anyway if you ask him. I think. If you ask him and you have a good heart. We all have to have good hearts. Because without a good heart, things don't go right. So, make sure your heart is in the right place. If nothing else. Alright. Here's the french fries in the air fryer. We're going to put them in and let them cook. As you see, the burgers are still cooking pretty good here. My onions are about done. I'm going to take them out because I don't want them to burn. I don't want mine to burn. My niece likes hers burnt. I might leave hers in there. I'm going to take mine out. So, what you guys are having for dinner tonight? Quick and easy. This is quick, easy, and cheap. Because you buy the hamburger in bulk, the french fries in bulk. You got onion, cook it up. Cheap, cheap, cheap. And good. So, any ideas on what should be done for the next video? Comment below on what you think you would like me to do next. It's my birthday month. Remember I told you. So I might have y'all all over the place chilling and jamming and who knows. I don't jam like that no more. We'll probably be in the supermarket buying stuff and doing that. But I'm going to come back when all this is done on the plate eating. These are the burgers done. We're going to get ready and put them on some bread. Can you see it? Yeah, well, you can see it now. Alright. I'll come back when I'm ready to eat. Okay, friends. This is the dinner. Hamburger and french fries. You see that burger with the onions on it? We're going to put some ketchup on it. And we're going to taste it. You can't mess up a hamburger too much. You season it the way you want. And you make french fries the way you want. These are patties. They're not fresh meat ones. They regular patties from Walmart. So here's the plate. So we're going to taste it. We are going to taste it. This bite. Perfectly cooked. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. This is good. Simple, quick, and good. So, thank you for watching if you made it to the end of this video. I appreciate all you guys. Come on and spread the love to the other people so they know who I am. So we can get this show on the road. But thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. Pretty much. So I'm going to end the video right here. Let's taste the french fries though. Did I taste them for you? Crunchy. Out the air fryer. And good. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Love you. Peace.